I have a lot of money saved in my bank account. Do I need to invest? How can I even start investing if I don't know what investing is? Investing sounds too complicated, difficult, confusing. I'm scared of investing my money. What if I lose it? If any of these statements resonate with you, you need to watch this video right now and watch it till the end. Hello and namaste, I'm Manish Ahuja, founder of Paycheck to Profit, India's first online platform dedicated to your money mindset, your financial freedom, your investing, and your financial literacy, your financial education. Here you'll get to know everything that your schools and colleges should have taught you about money, but they didn't. Yes, these videos may seem a little out of tune for your entertainment quota on YouTube, but believe me, you need these maybe a little more than that funny stand-up comedy video that you've been watching or binging upon. After all these reality checks, let's continue, because if you're still watching this video, you're really serious about your money and your financial freedom and your money mindset. So let's talk about 5 most common myths that surround this world with regards to investing. And this is very important because if you start investing with the wrong mindset, if you would have stopped watching this video earlier, you would have lost out on this knowledge, because without the right mindset anyway, even if you're investing your money, there's a good possibility that you're going to lose your money. And I don't want my viewers, my participants, my audience to lose their money. I want them to invest their money, grow their wealth, and get financially free with the right mindset. So the first and the most common myth associated with investing is that it requires a lot of capital. It doesn't. Today you can start investing in the stock markets with as little as 100 rupees. I've spoken about this in one of my earlier videos. Go and check the video where I talk about 5 myths associated with stock markets. In mutual funds, you can start investing your money with as little as 500 rupees a month. If you're watching this video, if you understand the language of this video, if you're watching it on your cell phone or smartphone, you definitely can invest 500,000, maybe even 5,000 rupees every month. So let's end that discussion right then and there. It does not require a lot of capital. You can begin with a really small amount to begin with. Second thing that people think about too much or overthink about when they are investing is that they feel that they have to know a lot of things. Again, not true. Watch some of the videos of this channel and you'll start understanding how easy it is today to start investing. Because it is easy, it also becomes really, there's a lot of wrong marketing going on, but we'll not talk about that in today's video. I'll tell you what, just watch a few videos about how do you start investing in mutual funds, and you can start with knowing very basic information. If you want any information, please feel free to comment below and I'll answer those questions for you so that you can start investing. Third thing about investing is that investing is all about gambling. It's all a gamble. I really don't know what to tell people who come to this conclusion without even putting in any effort towards their learning. Talk about judging a book by its cover. Do you believe that Warren Buffett, who's one of the richest people on the planet, gambled his way towards where he is today? Radhakrishna Damani, the founder of DMart, Super Avenues, it's a listed company. Yes, he did a lot of trading in his old days. But today, he's earning most of his money through his business, through getting his company listed, and by holding a portfolio of value investing companies. Value investing is basically investing in the company which has a brilliant future, but the stocks of those companies today are available really cheap. Why does that happen? I'll probably make a lot of videos on value investing in times to come. So please subscribe to this channel and stay subscribed and watch the videos to learn about all of these things. Fourth myth that is associated with investing is that it's too difficult. Of course, it's difficult if you don't try. Of course, it's difficult if you don't even do anything about it. The only reason why investing is difficult is because binging on Netflix is too easy. if you binge one TV season less, if you watch one TV series less and invest that amount of time, 20 hours, 30 hours, 50 hours in an online program which teaches you how to invest your money and grow your money, you can be financially free eventually. Look at the trade-off and then decide for yourself. It's not too difficult. It's typical. You have to put in your time, money, effort and investment, and it pays off. It's difficult because you don't begin anyway. That's the reason why it's difficult. Fifth and the most poisonous thought when it comes to investing is, I don't need to invest because I have a lot of money in my savings account. I'll probably make a video on this, why just saving your money is as good as burning your money. It's a fundamental fact. Your money in your savings account will only grow to 4%, 6%, 7% a year. Inflation is literally growing at what? 8 to 9% every year. In simple terms, at the end of the year, your 100 rupees will be 104 rupees, 106 rupees after all the interest that has come in. But the actual value of those 100 rupees would have dropped from 100 rupees to 93 rupees, 92 rupees. It's a little technical, it's economics. It's very simple, basic economics. But investing your money in a savings account is not investing to begin with. It's called savings account. It's not called an investing account. So your savings account is not good enough. If you have any questions about whatever I've just told you, if you've not understood anything, please feel free to send me a comment below. I also do a lot of AMS, or let's be honest, I'm going to start doing a lot of Ask Me Anythings on my Instagram and on my Facebook group, links of which are in the description below. So please do not forget to connect with us on other social media channels as well. And yes, that's about it from me in today's video. I'll now see you in the next video where I'll talk to you about some new topic which will help you understand and get more perspective on your investments and your money mindset, and which will eventually help you get financially free. So if you're serious about being financially free in the future, invest 5 to 10 minutes every 3 days and get to learn one more thing about your money, your financial future, your future. I hope you've liked this video. If you did like the video, do not forget to hit the like button, share it on other social media channels. I'll now see you in the next video. Until then, please keep smiling, take care of your loved ones and stay happy. Ka-ching!